Oh boy, here's the video I did not want to make because I thought I'd be done with this car repair already. This is the power steering pump that came out of our Lexus RX350, and it's a Toyota pump. I decided, because of the price difference, to try some aftermarket parts. This one was actually well rated. I think I just got a bad batch, to be honest. So here's the issue. The threads, this is held in by two bolts. They are not bored out properly. Okay, there's the two Toyota bolts that came out of the Lexus. You can actually see it. Do you see that ridge right there? I don't know if I can zoom in on that. Whether you can see that or not, there's something kind of like a ridge in there. Do you see it? That's not supposed to be there. That's improperly bored threads. So watch. Try not to make this video too long. I'm threading this in by hand. I've done this a million times. I know how to thread a bolt. And guess what? Look at that angle. Look at that terrible cross-threading it's doing. Look at that. I could hit this with the gun if I want to, right? But it ain't going in. Trust me, I tried. So, what did I do? This was after trying the AutoZone, the Duralast right here. I thought, there's other $200 pumps available. By the way, this dealer one's $650. That's why I'm going through this. This is the old one. I'm trying to save some money on something simple as a power steering pump. So here is now the Napa one. There's no possible way this could happen again, right? Well, wrong. Try to zoom in on there. Same thing. See that little extra piece of metal in there? That's not supposed to be there. This is unbelievable. I've never seen this kind of problem with aftermarket parts. So these are slightly different, by the way. Here's the Duralast one. See, this is the AutoZone. This is the Napa Auto one, and it's got a different color bolt cap here. This one actually looks more stock because this one's black. So I have a feeling these cases are made by the same company, and we got the same problems. And if I try the same thing, not to waste your time, but trust me, it'll be the same result. Goes in about, I don't know, 2 or 3 turns and it starts cross-threading. See? This is not recommended, but if I hit it with the gun on low power, it'll start clipping. Don't worry, I didn't damage the bolt. Piece of crap, actually. So the manager at Napa made the mistake of telling me these are made by Cardona or Cardona, whatever they are. I'm going to avoid this company. They must be making the cases for these, even though they're branded and serial numbered a little differently. They obviously have the same manufacturing flaw. The funny thing is I did see some reviews online. I have a 2007 Lexus, and someone said this worked great in a 2007 Tacoma with the same engine series as mine. So I believe I just got a bad run of it. It's still unacceptable. I'll tell you the thing that pisses me off the most is these are supposed to be tested. All these companies test, oh yeah, we test all our stuff. No, you don't. You didn't test anything. No one even bothered to run a bolt through that. So anyway, after all that, I'll just show you how this bolt fits fine in the factory pump. Even though the pump's bad, there's the threads. There you go. I guess you got to pay $600 to get a properly bored bolt hole. So here we go. Look at that. It's going in just fine. See that? No issues, no cross-threading, straight as an arrow. Ta-da! Ridiculous. Anyway, it's a frustrating experience. I just wanted to share this with someone and save you the 3-day headache that I've been through in trying to get this fixed. So I guess I'm going to have to bite the bullet and spend full price for the Toyota Lexus one.
So good news, a couple days later I did get this resolved. I ended up going with O'Reilly Auto. Their pump was a perfect fit. It was under $200. It went in quickly, and the kicker is a lifetime replacement. So that's what happened. I did film the video on that, and if you want to see that, drop me a comment, tell me you want to see the full install video, and I will link that when it's ready. And I hope this helps somebody out. Please leave me a comment. See you next time.